Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to download the DaVinci Resolve. So how you can download it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to download the latest version, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using. So right now I am on the Chrome and I simply search for the DaVinci Resolve right here. As you can see, I give a query of DaVinci Resolve and multiple websites will appear here. On the top, you will see blackmagicdesign.com. So you just have to click on it, and DaVinci Resolve 18 is the updated version of the software. So simply you have to click on it. Now you are on the official website of the DaVinci Resolve. Just scroll down and here you will see two options, DaVinci Resolve Studio and DaVinci Resolve. So it's expensive and this is for the studio, I mean this is for the pro, but if you want to download it for your personal use, you can simply click on the DaVinci Resolve free download. Just click right here. So here you have to select the window on the DaVinci Resolve 18, not go for here. Just click on the download on which operating system you want to download it. So once you will do it, it will ask for your information. Just put your personal information right here and click on the register and the download. Once you will do it, it will start downloading and you can install it on your desktop. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any confusion or any question, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.